Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We've got another requested drawing, Gotcha Life Girls. Okay, so to start with, we are going to draw a line like so. Then we're gonna have a line coming down like that, up, down, and back up. Then we're gonna draw some little ears here, like that, so kind of a curved line. And then we're gonna do another line up. We're gonna draw some little zigzaggies in here and an accent line like that. Then we're gonna draw a little piece of hair like so, another piece of hair, another one, and this one's a really big one. There we go. Then we're gonna draw another ear here. It's gonna come down. And then we've got the ear right here, the human ear. And then we've got the little outside of the ear, some little zigzaggies. There we go. And then we've got the hair that connects. Then we've got a great big ponytail back here. And we've got another piece of hair right there. There we are. Okay, then we got a little face here with the smile and a little toothy, little nose. And then here are the eyes. Okay, so the eye is gonna start like this, and it's gonna have a line coming out, and it's gonna come above, a line coming across, and a line up here. And then we've got some shine. Color this in. Woo-hoo-hoo. Looking good. There we are. Now we're going to do the other side. So we have the bottom, shiny spot, comes up here, little shine, color that in. There we go. Now we have a little eyelash or eyebrow, yes. Okay, then here's the wee little neck. It's got a little necklace thing on it. Line coming across and down. Then over here we've got the top. Comes down, across. Got a little detail underneath there. It comes down, down and across. And then we've got the arm coming down, back up. Oh, here go the hands, thumb, all the fingers. That's easy. All right, now we've got a skirt. So the skirt comes out, down, and then we've got another pleat right here. That looks good. All right, so then we've got the leg, the other leg. We've got the middle part, and we have a boot here, that. And we're gonna make a line coming down and across. zigzag, zigzag. And we have the back boot here, and it wraps around like that. Where are her toes, I must say? Okay, then we've got the other boot here, which is a V line across. The other part of the boot, which is a V. Then this kind of goes into this one like so. Then we've got our zigzag, 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 and a little toe suggestion. And then we've got the tail, which is very zigzaggy, and it comes back around. And it's got another little color change here. And then this hair comes back down, comes behind this, like so. And we'll put the ground on it. There we go. Hey, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.